Okay, here's our yarrow plant. Right now it's in full flower. The flowers are good. The plant is good. And what you're going to do with the yarrow, it's a really good medicinal plant. It stops bleeding and it acts as an antiseptic as well. Some people make a spit poultice. So they're going to actually put this in their mouth and chew it up, and then they would put it on their cut or their bug bite. The other way, you can just take it and squish it up, bruise it, so you're getting some of the juices that are going to come out. And then you would just put it directly on your cut or your bug bite and hold it there until the bleeding stops.
And there's medicine in these. It's magic.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. In the summer, a good thing to do is pick some of this, put it in a baggie, stick it in your freezer. So if you maybe you're somewhere where there isn't any yarrow, you have your own medicine handy. Because we're camping and sometimes it's really hard to find the yarrow, but we're fortunate here there's lots of it.